Alright, so welcome to How to Dyno. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom say command. So essentially, if you're looking to have Dyno speak on your behalf or say something in another channel, this video will show you how to create that. To get started, head over to dyno.gg. We'll go ahead and click on the Manage Service button. Select the server you like to manage. We'll go over to Modules, and then locate the custom command module. We'll click Settings, and then ensure the module is enabled. To get started, we'll hit Add Command. For the name, we'll enter say, and for the actual command, this is what we'll be using. So for those of you guys that may want to run this command in another channel and have Dyno respond in the channel that you mentioned, this is a version to use. So this is essentially telling Dyno, I want you to respond in the channel I mentioned, and then everything after the channel I mentioned is going to be the actual text Dyno will say. So this is just pulling the channel, and then this is going to go ahead and pull the text that you enter. You have the option to delete the command after it has been ran. So if you don't want anyone seeing the command that you ran, you can go ahead and enable this delete command. For those of you that want to further restrict the command, because in its current state, pretty much anyone can run this command, you can either use the permission sets here, where you can set an allowed role, such as your admin role or mod role, or maybe your admin or mod roles change, or you can account for all the different roles that you have. You can simply use the require variable and set the requirement to server mods and up. If you'd like to only require admins, you can just replace server mod with server admin. But in this case, I'm gonna use server mod. This is basically looking for anyone that has the moderator role for Dyno, anyone that has been added to that list. This is what that command is looking for. And with the require server admin, we're basically just looking for anyone that has the manager role permission or has admin within the server. So this is to further lock down the command if you don't want any random person running it. Again, we have delete command enabled so that the command is deleted after we run it. And then again, you can either use this require if you want anyone to be able to run this command, you can get rid of this. Or if you don't prefer using require server mod here, you can specify allowed roles here or ignored roles that you'd like to restrict this to. If you guys have a preference for setting up allowed channels or ignored channels, that is also up to you. But in this case, we want to only allow people with moderator abilities and up to use this command. So we'll go ahead and save the command. So now we have our say command, and then I will show you what this looks like in Discord. Back on the dashboard, for those of you that don't want to specify a channel and you just want to have Dyno respond in the channel the command is ran in, you can go ahead and just remove these two items and basically replace the command with the $1+. And this is telling Dyno you just want to respond in the current channel that you're running the command in. Again, we still have this delete command enabled. We still have this require server mod so that only server mod users and above can run this command. If you don't want to have any sort of restrictions on this command, you can simply just remove this requirement. And if you have any permissions here, just remove the permissions there. And then this is just going to be a basic say command. But again, it is up to your discretion. If you want to restrict it, you have that option. So I'm going to leave that here just to ensure random people are not abusing the command. And then once you're done, go ahead and hit save. And this will now have Dyno repeat whatever I say in the same channel. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any issues, comments, or anything of that nature. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.